Hi everyone, welcome to Essie Cooks. In this video, we're going to be making a spooky treat, which is this Halloween kid-friendly treat. These are mummied bananas. So we're going to be making it with puff pastry. We have banana, we have melted chocolate. They are actually so good and so easy to make. You can get your little helpers to help you with this, but they are also great for adults as well. I have seen these just get gobbled up. So here we go. The first thing we need is 1 sheet of puff pastry. If you want it to be vegan, just check, because most of them are actually accidentally vegan. Then we're going to get 4 bananas, scoop out the middle, and fill those with chocolate chips. You'll need about half a cup of dark chocolate chips for this, and optionally you can add some sprinkles in there. Personally, I think it tastes better without sprinkles, but hey, you do you. Now, I've got some Google Eyes here. The trick with these is you can actually get them from the bulk store, so you can just get the few that you need rather than buying a whole bag. So hopefully that's helpful for those. If you can't find them, you could use raisins or something as the eyes, or just 2 chocolate chips after it's cooked. Now we are going to go ahead and wrap up those bananas in puff pastry. We added some Teddy Grahams on the end for fun and brushed in butter. Again, you can use melted vegan butter. And we're going to throw those in the oven at 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Now, those candy eyes actually melted in the oven, so I made them again and just put the candied eyes on afterwards. You can either kind of dig them into the pastry like this, or you can stick them to the chocolate. I actually tried making these again and wrapping them with thinner pieces of puff pastry to see how it turned out, and although it looked cute, the texture of the banana was not as good. So I would say, if you can, fully wrap that banana up in the puff pastry. It's going to taste so much better. See how cute it looks like that? But honestly, the texture was better when we fully covered the banana from top to bottom in puff pastry. And just make sure that you are adding those Google Eyes on at the end. Otherwise, they will completely melt and you will lose them. See, this video is so you can learn from my mistakes and make this treat so easily. Look how easy this was to make. Now, you can arrange these Google Eyes however you want, however your kids want. You can play around with it. You can make them so cute. Honestly, this was so fun and so easy. And of course, because it's Halloween, I had to just complete the look with the candle, because that's going to give us that Halloween vibe that we're looking for. And look at how easy and how cute. Now, when you're baking these, you do want to make sure that they are golden brown. So another thing I would say is to check the bottom as well, which I'm going to show you in a second here, so you can see what it should look like, so that you know that it's cooked. Some puff pastry may be a little bit different than others, so definitely look for that golden brown color. We want to make sure these are fully cooked through. And I'm going to show the bottom here, and you can see how nice and golden brown. That's what we're looking for. But see that little piece of banana sticking out the end, how it's like the texture just isn't as nice as the beautiful middle. Look at the middle. Look how good that is. Actually, we were so surprised by how good these tasted. We were just kind of making them because we thought it would be cute, but at the end of the day, the flavor was banging. It was so good. So check this out. Here is my fully cooked one. I hope you love this. If you like it, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more.